Fuck!
Hello there. As you can see, I have a black exhaust cap for the gas heater for its chimney, but as you can clearly see, the old part is sort of falling apart. It's kind of broken. Doesn't really serve the purpose that it should. So I have decided to try and 3D print it. So I'm just gonna get it out by unbolting it here and then make a model and 3D print it. And this part is actually made out of metal, so it's going to be interesting to see how the 3D printed part holds up in these conditions. So I have my prototype ready. I'm just gonna test fit it, and I'm quite intrigued to see what the PLA will do once hot exhaust gases start coming out. Let's just see. Yeah, it's pretty well. There's quite a bit of clearance, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Add a bit of meat, make it fit nice and tight. Yeah, I think I'm gonna test it and turn on the gas heater and see what it does. Okay, so one of the things that we learned is that I can't measure because this isn't long enough to get to the hole. And the second thing is that the exhaust gas isn't very hot. I mean, it's been running for a while, but I don't think the heat is gonna be that big of an issue. But just in case, I have a heat-resistant paint prepared for the final part. So, in order to print ASA, I first need to change the plate from the textured one to the smooth one. I chose ASA because of its weather-resistant abilities. And then we just apply a little bit of 3D lag and we can start printing. Alright, so I have the final printed part from ASA, and now I'm just going to install it instead of the old one that is practically falling apart. I've made the decision not to paint it with the heat resistant paint, and the main reason being the fact that ASA is stable up until 95 degrees. After that it will warp, it will soften, you will ruin the part. And well, the heat resistant paint that I have needs to be cured at about 108 degrees, so that wouldn't end well. So yeah, I'm just gonna install it and see how it behaves. As I tested before, the air coming from the exhaust is not hot at all, so this should be perfect. So let's install it and see how it behaves. And just like that, our exhaust cap is replaced. Here, just a sneak peek of the old one. You can practically see It's falling apart. The good thing about the 3D printed one is that I can make a new one whenever I feel like it. And yeah, now we will just see how this one behaves. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and make sure to tune in next time.